This year, for our DFC project, we grade 2 Mercury students have decided to make a railing for our football field stairs.
Do you know why? Because our peers and even teachers and staff were having problems using that stair.
Why are you saying that this is risky for walking?
Sometimes they can fall down. When it rainfalls, it could be slippery and someone can fall in the ground.
But what can we do for it? Who can tell?
We can grease for them. They can hold it and go down.
But for this project, we had needed lots of money, so we sold a homemade foods to raise fund.
We handed over the money and our own railing design to the admin. But the fund was not enough. So our principal gave us the rest of the fund. So next we completed our work with the builders and the help of the admin.
Now everybody can use the stairs safely. This is our grade to Mercury's contribution for whole school community.